chicken Hong Kong. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I am Zai, and today I am going to show you a very interesting Chinese recipe which is called as chicken Hong Kong. Let's quickly go through the ingredients. To make chicken Hong Kong, we require around 400 grams of boneless chicken which is cut into cubes, 6 tablespoons of corn flour, salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of red chili paste, 2 tablespoons oil plus for deep frying, 3 spring onions, 2 cups of chicken stock, 5 to 6 chopped garlic cloves, 1-inch sliced ginger piece, 2 to 3 dried red chilies, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, a teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. To begin with, we'll take around 2 tablespoons of corn flour in a bowl. To this, we'll add some salt, red chili paste and the egg. We'll mix this really well. After we mix this well, now we'll add the chicken cubes in this marinade. And we will marinate this chicken for around half an hour. So let's keep this aside to marinate. Meanwhile, what we are going to do is, we are going to take the spring onions, separate the bulbs and the greens. We'll cut the greens for the garnish. Don't have to cut them really fine. And bulbs, we are just going to quarter the bulbs. That's it. So the chicken is now well marinated. So what we now going to do is, I have a non-stick wok over here in which I've heated some oil. So we are going to put this marinated chicken pieces and we are going to fry them till they are 3/4 done. We don't have to cook them fully because we are going to cook them fully in the sauce later. So we'll put this into the oil, all of this, and let's fry it till it is almost 3/4 done. So while the chicken is getting fried, we'll add some chicken stock, around half cup of chicken stock to the remaining corn flour and we'll mix it well. This slurry we'll use as thickening for the chicken. After we mix this really well, we'll keep it aside for some time and we'll take out the chicken. So chicken is nicely fried. Let's take it out onto an absorbent paper. So we have drained out all the chicken onto an absorbent paper. Let's keep this wok aside. So let's begin with the rest of the procedure. I've taken a non-stick wok in which I'll put around 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat for some time. Remember, whenever you're making any Chinese dish, the oil has to be absolutely hot and you have to stir fry the dish on high heat. The oil is nice and hot. Now we'll add the quartered spring onions along with the ginger, after which we'll add garlic, the dried red chilies, and we'll saute it for some time. Okay. So we have sauteed this really well. What we need to now add is the red chili sauce, the fried chicken. Let's mix this well. Let's toss it well. Okay, after we toss it well, now we'll need to add remaining chicken stock to the chicken. After adding the chicken stock, let's mix it well and we'll wait till the stock comes to a boil. Okay, the stock is now boiling. Now we'll add the corn flour slurry that we had prepared to thicken the sauce. We'll add it little at a time. Mix it well. I think that is enough. Let's add some sugar and the spring onion greens. Looks really wonderful. The last thing that we have to add is the vinegar. Our chicken Hong Kong is ready. Let's take it out in a serving plate. I have a serving plate over here in which I'll take out the prepared chicken Hong Kong. We will garnish it with remaining spring onion greens. Chicken Hong Kong is ready. Serve it hot with fried rice or noodles.